Financial literacy has fundamentally evolved by 2026. It has shifted from simple, manual budgeting to the intelligent management of complex digital assets. We now define literacy as the specialized skill set required to master AI assisted financial copilots, navigate global markets, and treat money as capital to be allocated rather than just a balance to be saved. Compound growth is the interest earned on your interest. It is the engine of wealth creation. By leveraging automated, fractional share recurring investments, you maximize the time in the market effect. Watch how consistent contributions cause your capital to work harder as time progresses. This automated discipline ensures your money grows exponentially. Liquidity management has evolved beyond keeping cash in a jar. Traditional savings kept at zero growth are technically liquid, but they lose purchasing power due to inflation. Modern liquidity relies on cash equivalents like money market funds or stable coins. These offer immediate accessibility to your emergency fund while simultaneously earning yield, ensuring your money never sits stagnant. The core goal is to maintain liquidity without sacrificing growth. Your capital should remain agile yet productive. A 5% return means nothing if inflation is at 6%. We distinguish between nominal and real returns to understand our actual growth. Always calculate your real return by subtracting inflation from your nominal gain. Here, a 5% gain minus 6% inflation results in a negative 1% return. Even if your account balance shows growth, your actual purchasing power has declined. Focus on real returns to measure your true financial success. Debt is a powerful financial tool. Whether it helps or hurts depends entirely on how you use it. Good debt finances assets that grow in value or produce income, such as education, real estate, or business investments. In contrast, bad debt finances depreciating assets or high-interest consumption. It drains your wealth rather than building it. Understanding the difference is key to long-term wealth building. Choose debt that expands your potential, not your burden. Banking apps have evolved into proactive financial co-pilots. These advanced AI tools don't just record your history, they actively guide your financial future. By analyzing your spending patterns in real time, the AI identifies trends and hidden costs as they happen. These co-pilots proactively adjust your budget based on current inflation data and your unique risk profile, keeping your financial goals aligned with reality. By delegating complex calculations to AI, you can focus on the big picture while your co-pilot manages the details. Tokenization is revolutionizing how we invest. It allows you to own fractions of high-value assets like commercial real estate or private equity, which were once reserved for only the ultra-wealthy. Traditionally, assets like commercial office buildings required massive capital. Most retail investors were locked out of these exclusive markets. Through tokenization, these assets are divided into digital tokens. Each token represents a proportional slice of the underlying value. Now, retail investors can enter the market with a fraction of the cost, democratizing access to wealth-building opportunities previously out of reach. This lowers the barrier to entry, enabling you to diversify your portfolio with high-value investments that were once exclusive. It is the new frontier of asset management. The era of manual spreadsheets is fading. Modern finance is moving toward automated, zero-knowledge applications that eliminate human error. These apps securely sync your accounts and perform complex optimizations in the background without requiring your constant attention. They automatically handle tax loss harvesting and portfolio rebalancing, ensuring your money is managed with machine-level precision. By removing the human element, you secure better outcomes with significantly less effort. Micropensions represent a frictionless shift in how we save. By rounding up your digital transactions to the nearest unit, the difference is automatically swept into a diversified index fund. A purchase of $4.60 triggers a 40-cent roundup. That small amount flows directly into your investment account, building wealth in the background. While these micro contributions seem negligible daily, they accumulate significantly over time. Automated discipline turns small change into a robust retirement cushion without impacting your daily cash flow. The current financial landscape reveals a significant paradox. While 70% of young investors express high confidence in their financial skills, only 35% can correctly explain how interest rates correlate with asset prices. This creates a dangerous false confidence gap. Many retail investors fail to realize that when central banks raise interest rates, the present value of future cash flows drops, typically leading to a decline in asset prices. To thrive, investors must replace assumption with education. Avoid the trap of false confidence by committing to update your foundational knowledge regularly. True literacy is the best hedge against market volatility. Human willpower is notoriously unreliable for long-term wealth building. It fluctuates with stress, mood, and daily distractions. Treat wealth building as an engineering problem. You need a system that functions independently of your motivation. Automate your savings and investments. Let the system manage your discipline, so your financial health is not dependent on daily willpower. The 15% automation rule is the gold standard for long-term wealth creation. By automatically directing at least 15% of your income into diversified index funds, you remove the guesswork from investing. Data confirms that this strategy outperforms active traders by over 4% annually. While active traders rely on timing the market, automated systems benefit from consistent, long-term compounding. By engineering your financial life to automate discipline, you move from active gambling to systematic wealth building. Set your 15% and let the market do the work. Financial success is deceptively simple. It is roughly 20% mathematics and 80% psychology. We often focus on the numbers, but our behaviors drive the results. Success requires mastering your spending triggers. Marketing and emotions often lead to impulse decisions that derail long-term planning. Market volatility tests your resolve. When lines drop, behavioral biases tempt us to panic. True financial mastery is maintaining discipline when the market signals fear. Remember, do not rely on willpower. Rely on systems and automation. Financial literacy is behavioral economics in practice. If you do not understand the fee structure or the underlying risk profile of an asset, do not own it. Complex derivatives can be notoriously difficult to navigate. If you cannot explain exactly how an asset makes money, you are not investing, you are gambling. True investing requires clarity and transparency. Protect your capital by demanding clarity. If the structure is too complex to define, walk away. In 2026, new financial transparency acts require digital platforms to be clear about the risks involved in your investments. Platforms must now disclose algorithmic trading risks. These disclosures explain how automated systems manage your capital. Always review these summaries before confirming. Understanding the nature of a product is your first line of defense against unexpected market volatility. By staying alert to these regulations, you ensure that you are in control of your financial journey. In 2026, financial wellness has become a standard cornerstone of corporate culture. Many employers now provide financial literacy training as a core employee benefit. These programs offer specialized guidance on navigating retirement plans and maximizing tax-advantaged accounts. This expert support helps you build wealth while significantly reducing your out-of-pocket costs. By leveraging these employer-sponsored tools, you gain access to professional strategies that turn complex financial decisions into clear, actionable steps for your future. Emergency funds are your primary financial shock absorber. Modern AI-driven goal-setting tools take this to the next level. Traditional budgeting relies on fixed, rigid monthly targets that often fail during market volatility. Adaptive AI tools, however, treat your budget as a fluid system. These AI systems dynamically monitor market conditions. When volatility is high, they intelligently adjust non-essential spending, ensuring you hit your liquidity targets 30% faster. By automating the discipline of saving, these tools remove human friction, turning your emergency fund into a high-priority, reality-adjusted financial anchor. Index funds are powerful tools that provide instant, low-cost diversification. Instead of picking winners, you own a slice of the entire market. One of the primary benefits is cost. By minimizing management fees, index funds keep more of your money working for you over the long term. By tracking a broad index, you participate in the growth of the overall economy, reducing risk that comes from individual company failure. Index funds remain the gold standard for long-term investors seeking simplicity, diversification, and efficiency. While automation is the foundation of wealth building, it is not a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Every quarter, perform a portfolio audit to verify your financial health. Perform these 3 steps every 3 months. First, check your asset allocation. Second, verify it still matches your risk profile. Third, rebalance if market movements have shifted your exposure. Your portfolio is not static. If your life circumstances change, like a career shift or a new financial goal, your allocation should evolve to reflect your current risk profile and future objectives. Think of your quarterly audit as a safety mechanism. It ensures that while the machines manage the math, you remain the architect of your financial future. Inflation acts as a silent tax on your wealth, reducing your purchasing power over time. To beat inflation, your capital must be allocated to assets that historically appreciate at or above the rate of inflation. Equities or company stocks represent ownership in businesses that can raise prices to keep pace with rising costs. Real estate provides a physical store of value, where property and rental income often track with economic inflation. Inflation-protected securities, like Treasury inflation-protected securities, are specifically designed to adjust their value based on official inflation indexes. By diversifying across these categories, you can effectively preserve your purchasing power and protect your long-term wealth. Market corrections are a standard, expected part of any long-term investment journey. When prices drop, human instinct often leads to panic. Consider a portfolio trending upward. A sudden dip or correction can feel alarming. This is where emotion-driven panic selling often occurs. Panic selling turns a temporary paper loss into a permanent one. It prevents you from benefiting when the market inevitably recovers. Automation is your best defense. By maintaining a set-it-and-forget-it strategy, your system continues to buy during the dip. This lowers your average cost, turning volatility into a long-term advantage. Market corrections are not a reason to stop. They are simply an opportunity for your automated system to keep building your future wealth. To wrap up, your financial health is a lifelong project. Here is your action plan to maintain a healthy system. First, automate your savings and investments to ensure discipline. Second, focus on long-term risk-adjusted returns rather than quick wins. Third, ignore the active trader hype that often leads to unnecessary risk. Finally, prioritize continuous financial learning to adapt to the changing landscape. Your financial future starts today. Keep your system running smoothly and stay consistent.